Welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how we can boot your device into recovery mode. So, for this video, I'll be using Windows, but you can also do this on a Mac. The process really doesn't change that much. The difference is on Windows we do need to download a garbage program called Apple Devices, and you can download it from only the most unappealing place ever, which is the Microsoft Store. Everyone's least favorite place to download anything from. So that's where you'll find this garbage. Look for the lowest rated program, which is 2.1 stars from a $1 trillion company. Well done, Apple, you created a garbage program. Awesome. If you pay attention here, it's even lower than iTunes, which is 2.4. That was already pretty bad. Now, if you're wondering, why the hell aren't we using iTunes? That's what historically we would use. That's because Apple decided to update iTunes by not updating it at all, and then making a new program, which is even crappier, that has half of the features of iTunes. So they basically made Apple Devices, took the tunes out of it, and then made a second greatest program, which is Apple Music. And some crazy mad lad at Microsoft decided to give this garbage award for 2024 for music category. Now I'm not sure what kind of stuff they're on there, but newsflash, Apple Music can't even play FLACs. It's a music player that can't play music in this case. And it's got an award. Okay then, that was a choice. Now, once we downloaded this crap, Apple Devices, you can open it up. And let's just plug in our device. Now for Mac users, all you need to do is open up your Finder, which is basically this thing right here, and then click on the iPhone that shows up on the sidebar. So for me, it's the computer box iPhone. It's probably for you the name of your computer, so I don't know what your name is, but usually that's how iPhones get named. So your name, iPhone, and once you click on it, you'll see this page right over here. So you're basically good to go. So now that you have this open, plug in your device if you haven't done so yet, and what we need to do is just press volume up, then volume down, and then you want to hold power button. This will give you this slide to power off. Ignore it and just keep on holding power button. It will turn off the device in a second, and then it's going to start booting back up, which you want to continue holding that power button. And after the logo disappears, we'll have our recovery mode, which is a cable like this one with a laptop visible on the screen. Give it a second for Apple Devices. It might be slow, but it got the spirit. And there you go, it shows up with the info that the device is now in recovery mode. It was for like solid 5 seconds, but anyway. Now here, we have a misleading information that there is a problem with your iPhone. No, there isn't. There isn't a problem. It's just in recovery mode. Cancel. Now, as you also seen, there are two options. You could update or restore iPhone, which is also the buttons that we have right here. Makes that pop-up completely freaking useless. Now, obviously from here you can do either one of those. If you don't want to do any of those things, you can just leave this mode by pressing again volume up, volume down, and holding power button. Now the moment the screen turns black, you can just let go of the power button. It's gonna boot back up into your iOS. And also, we can unplug the cable as we no longer need it. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.